Prabhupada wrote, "My dear Puri Maharaj, perhaps you are my only godbrother who has appreciated my humble service to the cause of Guru Gauranga.
So it was not under his control at the last moment. Everybody wants to be a ruler, not to be ruled by the constitution. No constitution. Of course, constitution is there. Since then, I had an idea to speak in this, what is that, group members, GBC members. I thought of speaking to them, GBC members. What is the aim of the institution? What is the aim? I want to ask them. What is the aim of this institution established by Swami Maharaj? The name is given ISKCON, International Krishna Consciousness. How far we have developed Krishna consciousness? At least 1%. Or we are sincerely trying to develop it. That nobody gives any answer. Then what it is now? No Krishna consciousness, only finance consciousness, wealth consciousness, or name consciousness. I had an idea too. I want that the Swami Maharaja's institution should not be destroyed, because he has served this institution. All his blood he has given. So much service he has done to get this institution succeed. Wait, what is you are doing? No other Swamiji has done so much to improve this prachar around the world. He has done it. It is all to the blessings of Lord Gauranga and his Guru Gauranga's blessings. He told, you know me well. It is all my Prabhupada's blessings and blessed Prabhupada and Gauranga's blessings. I have written this, or I have talked this, I have done my duty. Now the rest depends upon the Lord. What can I do? He labored hard. When other Swamiji went, he spent 3 lakhs. In those days, he could not bring, staying there, even one disciple. Only one fellow came from Germany. And he also went away afterwards. But Prabhupada has done so much, but without food, he taught everything, how to cook, how to clean, how to make a garland, how to prepare all the prasad, how to decorate, everything. And about books, this sort of printing and the photos, it is his invention. Even the Christian missionaries, they were advanced in book distribution, but now they have failed. He has in such a way, he has developed his book department, and it is his ideas acted. In Bhagavatam, all photos, different varieties of photos he has written. Even nobody, it is a new thing. You don't find photos of different types. Yes, adopted. It was his suggestion. And he gave more importance to books. That is why he says only books. Even our Prabhupada said, you should print books. Only small books. But Europeans, Westerners, they are not satisfied. They are not pleased seeing a small book. Only big volumes with title page and all cover page must be dazzling. So he has invented. Now you see, we have seen every householder has one set of Bhagavata and one set of Charitamrita. He had never seen opened the book. But they preserved on the table, preserved. And he has done this. He has invented it. Nowhere you find such book distribution. It is not, now the institution is maintained by book distribution. In India, people, they are subscribing for this, some 10,000
Life member.
life membership. In Europe, no life members. England, America, no life members. Only books. They sell books, free. So that is how he has invented this. But his blessings, he never wants that the institution with hard labor he has established will be ruined. He never wants. But the institution is there, that it should not be commercialized. The spiritual strength must be there. Krishna consciousness should be there. That is why we must appeal, that's all. We are nothing, we are not going to accuse anybody. Of course, when a great Acharya comes and goes away, naturally, in every sampradaya, it is the case, always. And now Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, he has introduced many new things in the society. But after his demise, it also shattered. And Swami Maharaj also has done this by hard labor. And after his demise, now the problem is, there should be at least a unity among the Vaishnavas. As our Maharaj says, at least unity. Because if he is different, what harm is there to talk and freely use the words? What harm is that? No harm. But Pratihingsa tyaji anya karavi palan. We should not have the retaliation tendency. We must always have that all to live and let others live. Now it is very difficult to unite. Nobody, Kali Yuga, this is Kali Yuga. Everybody is independent. Even a disciple is independent and Guru is independent. And Guru cannot claim that I have got so many disciples, because disciples are independent. The disciple is one who surrenders. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshana. Unless they surrender, they cannot teach and they cannot learn. Not only here in colleges, universities, no surrender. The same is in religious institutions also. If you force them, they will go away. And you cannot maintain the institution, so you have to obey them. It is the case, very bad. The more you are increasing the number of disciples or number of institutions, the burden is upon you only. The main person should carry the whole burden to accommodate the public and dealings with the public, and now the finance position also should be reformed. All this in Kali Yuga very difficult to change others. Tadvedi pranipada, no pranipata, no pariprasna, no seva, natu seva. It cannot be realized. Now our aim should be at least to do our individual bhajan and should not destroy the channel and preserve as far as we can preserve the channel. No further pressure can be given. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody. I have no disciple. Prabhupada said, I have got 4 disciples. 2 legs, 2 hands. 4 disciples. No disciple. Though he has disciples, he never thinks that. So he introduced Prabhu. One should call another brahmachari his god brother Prabhu. That Prabhu means master. I am his servant. So he also even called his disciples, he used to call Prabhu. Prabhupada used to call Prabhu. Bhakti Vijay Prabhu, he says. Not Bhakti Vijay. He says Bhakti Vijay Prabhu. Or this secretary, Kunja Bihari, Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he says, Sundarananda Prabhu, Vasudeva Prabhu, he used to call them. He has introduced this. Nobody knows this. No institution they have adopted this, that one the disciple should call his another disciple, not this a naked name, but name Prabhu must be added.
My dear Puri